Hey everyone, Tommy with Seattle Boat Company, and welcome to the Cobalt R35 walkthrough. The R35 was reintroduced into Cobalt's lineup for the 2024 model year. This unique twin-engine boat has a lot of features and amenities and enough room for all your friends. I want to go through the boat today, show you what's unique about the boat, but also take a peek at what makes this big boat so special. Let's go take a peek. Stepping on board the R35 at the Transom, you're greeted by this big swim platform. Not only does it have the flip-down swim step, but you can option the boat with a hydraulic swim platform, which raises and lowers. Coming into the cockpit area, you have a little trunk area that houses, in this particular boat, your splash and stow inflatable mat. And there's some pedals that'll operate that to either inflate or deflate the mat, depending on if you want to deploy it or when you want to bring it back in. The boarding door on the starboard side makes it super easy to get on and off the boat. And you also have controls that will operate your anchor light and also your awning. There's a lot of storage on board, not only from your in-floor storage lockers that vary in size depending on where you want to put some items, but also your seat cushions will lift up to reveal deep storage here in the cockpit and some great options up in the bow as well to make sure you have enough room for all your life jackets, your gear, towels, and whatever else you want to bring out on the boat. One of the unique options on the R35 is your starboard deployable galley. Not only do you have your comfortable seating position, but having the push of a button, you can raise up your cooktop, microwave, and prep area to help you have some food when you're out on the water. When you're piloting the boat, sitting here at the helm, you're greeted by twin Garmin displays. They have all the information that you're going to need from radar, chart plotter, engine readouts, etc. All your buttons are clearly labeled as well, whether you want to raise or lower the engine hatch, turn on your bilge blower, or make sure you can see at night with your navigation lights. You can also turn on underwater lights if you have them, or the color-changing RGB interior lights. With twin engine operation, you have your twin binnacle, but you also have a joystick operation. You can just move the joystick in the direction you want the boat to go, or twist it just to spin on its axis, giving you incredible, easy maneuverability, whether getting to your dock, putting it on your lift, or if you just want to stay put for a little while. At the observer's area, you're going to be nice and comfortable when you're just riding along. You do have an optional Garmin display here to give you chart plotter, engine functions, and you can change the tunes just at the push of a button. Now, just forward of the helm and the observer's area, on the starboard side, you have your little cabin area. This is a great spot to get out of the sun. You have a little smart TV down there as well if you need it, and just a great spot to just rest up if you need to. And on the port side, you have your head compartment. This has a vacuum flush system to make flushing nice and efficient. Another unique feature about the R35 is your optional oversized cockpit table. This folding tabletop allows you to have plenty of room for all your drinks, your food, and just a place to relax. Up in the bow area, you have plenty of room to stretch out and just relax. Beautiful armrests, cup holders, wireless charging option, and then when you're ready to stay put, you've got your windlass anchor up front. You can just drop that down and just hang out for a while. The R35 is the cream of the crop when it comes to boats. This 35-footer is just an amazing product, gives you an incredible ride, plenty of room for everything. And let's not forget, you can get this boat as a surf model. So when you want to take the action behind the boat and have some fun, you can do that as well. From everybody here at Seattle Boat, we'll see you on the water.